Good afternoon, bro.
Good afternoon.
My name is Marsha, and what's the name?
Felix by name.
All right. I'm here to ask you a question. Are you in?
No pro. I'm in already.
All right. So, name 5 animals that lay egg.
Infant animal that lay egg.
What?
Hen.
Thank you.
And lizard.
Thank you.
You see, turkey also lay egg.
Thank you.
I can go for snake.
Thank you.
And let me see. That's 5 already.
Whoa.
Name 5 animals that lay egg.
5 animals that lay eggs.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yes.
Hen.
Oh, yes, exactly.
I don't know. I only know that.
Name 5 animals that lay egg.
That lay egg.
Yeah.
Bird. And I don't know how to lay egg. Maybe snake.
I'm listening.
Hello.
You will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I meant. I really meant what I'm saying.
Name 5 animals that lay egg.
Chicken. Chicken.
Funke.
Bird.
That's my boy.
Crocodile.
Well done.
Ostrich.
Yes.
That's 4, right? The main one. And that's only 4 I know.
Oh my God.
All right. So, don't say what you just say right now, okay?
It's about to go down.
All right. Just got to come here.
Just answer the damn question.
Bed, Abby.
Go and ask your grandfather.
They think they are sensible and they keep on making mistakes.
You actually don't know what you want to say, right?
You don't have future here. You don't have future. You can never make it.
All right. Name 5 animals that lay egg.
That lay egg. Hen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Duck.
Yes!
Hen, duck. Snail. I guess 3.
I think we need to think our future.